Finding the perfect TV can feel like an endless hunt, right? You're scrolling through endless specs, trying to figure out which model will actually bring movie nights to life and keep up with all your favorite shows and games. But what if I told you that the search could stop here? Imagine watching every scene in brilliant color, with depth so real it feels like you're right there. Today I'll show you the top 5 best Samsung TVs of 2024 that'll make your living room feel like a mini cinema, plus all the tips you need to get them at the best prices. Check the links in the description for details and pricing. Number 5. Samsung Q60D. Let's kick off with the Samsung Q60D, a model that's all about value without cutting corners. For anyone who wants Samsung quality but doesn't want to spend a fortune, this TV is a fantastic pick. Why? It's loaded with dual LED technology, which means the backlight can adjust to what's on screen. Picture a serene sunset on a beach. The deep, warm tones look rich and true to life, without any of that washed-out effect that older TVs tend to have. And thanks to 100% color volume powered by quantum dots, every color is vibrant and accurate. Whether you're watching an animated movie with bright colors or a dark thriller, the details stay crisp and clear. Imagine fireworks lighting up the night. Each burst of color is vivid, even if your room is brightly lit. It's like the colors jump off the screen. One of the Q60D's standout features is the quantum processor light with 4K upscaling. No more grainy old shows, this processor enhances every frame to look as close to 4K as possible. Think of it like upgrading from standard DVD to Blu-ray. Everything is sharper and more detailed. For sports fans and gamers, Motion Accelerator is a game changer. You know how fast-paced scenes can look blurry or laggy? Not with this TV. Picture a high-stakes hockey game or a high-speed car chase. Every movement stays smooth and in focus, letting you keep up with all the action. And Samsung didn't stop at just a pretty picture. With object tracking sound light, the sound actually follows the action on screen, giving a sense of 3D surround sound. So if a helicopter flies across the screen, you'll feel it moving from one side to the other. This, combined with Quantum HDR, takes the Q60D's visuals to a new level, enhancing contrast and detail, making every scene vivid and immersive. Grab the Samsung Q60D link in the description to get the best price. Number 4. Samsung 85-inch class Crystal UHD. Ever dreamed of a cinema-like experience right at home? The Samsung 85-inch class Crystal UHD is here to deliver just that without draining your bank account. Imagine having a screen so big that watching sports or movies feels like you're in a theater. The 85-inch display is the next best thing to a projector. Thanks to pure color technology, this model makes every color pop. Think about watching a soccer match. The green of the field looks rich, while the players' jerseys stand out with vibrant, accurate colors. Samsung's pure color technology expands the color range, making scenes feel more lifelike. You get hues that aren't just close to real life, they're practically jumping off the screen, and you don't have to worry about older content looking subpar. With 4K upscaling, those classic movies or sitcoms get a sharpness boost, making them appear almost 4K quality. It's like giving your old favorites a fresh coat of paint. Each detail is enhanced, bringing new life to even the oldest shows. Ever watched an action scene that looked blurry? That's where Motion Accelerator steps in. Whether it's a high-speed car chase or an intense sports moment, this feature keeps every second smooth, clear, and sharp, reducing lag and blur so every frame looks polished. The Mega Contrast feature automatically adjusts brightness and contrast, ensuring shadowy scenes don't look muddy. Think of a suspense movie set in a dark cave. You'll be able to catch all those subtle details in the shadows, making the experience much more immersive. And with HDR, every scene has the perfect balance of brightness and contrast, whether it's a deep space scene or a sunny landscape. Here's a unique perk, Q Symphony. If you have a compatible Samsung soundbar, this feature syncs the TV and soundbar, creating a fuller, richer sound. So whether it's the rumble of thunder or an intense battle scene, the sound fills the room, making you feel like you're right there in the middle of the action. Find the Samsung 85-inch class Crystal UHD at a great price through the link in the description. Number 3. Samsung S90D 83-inch. If you're looking for a TV that truly goes big, the Samsung S90D 83-inch won't disappoint. With its OLED technology, you're getting those legendary deep blacks and brilliant whites that make every movie feel like an experience. Imagine watching a horror film. The shadows are so deep, it feels like you're right there in the dark, waiting for the next jump scare. It's eerie and intense, just how you want it. The OLED HDR Plus feature further boosts brightness and contrast, scene by scene. Picture watching a sunny beach scene. The sunlight shimmers on the water, every grain of sand is visible, and it feels like you're almost there. This attention to contrast and brightness makes every scene pop. Gamers, this one's for you. Motion Accelerator 144. Hertz delivers ultra-smooth motion without any lag. For fast-paced games, this is huge. Imagine playing a racing game where every turn, every drift is clear and smooth. It makes your gameplay feel more responsive and immersive. Samsung's Real Depth Enhancer adds another layer to the visuals. This feature boosts the contrast in the foreground to mimic how our eyes see depth in real life. So in nature documentaries, animals in the foreground look sharper and more vivid against the background, making the whole scene more realistic. And let's not forget 4K AI upscaling. Even older movies get a facelift, with the resolution bumped up to 4K quality, making classic films look better than ever. You'll see details you probably missed the first time around, breathing new life into all your favorites. Check out the Samsung S90D at the best price by clicking the link in the description. Number 2. Samsung QN900D. Want to go 8K? The Samsung QN900D is all about the future of TV. With Quantum Matrix Pro technology and mini LEDs, this TV has more lighting zones than ever. Imagine watching a detective show with dark, moody scenes. Every detail in the shadows stands out, adding a layer of immersion that standard TVs can't match. Neo Quantum HDR 8K Plus gives you colors so vivid, it's like watching life through a window. Imagine a sunset in a nature documentary. The oranges, pinks, and purples are rich, making you feel like you're right there. This TV doesn't just display scenes, it brings them to life. The real 8K resolution with AI upscaling is a game changer. Even older, low-res videos are bumped up to near 8K quality thanks to Samsung's 52 neural networks. Imagine an old home movie getting a crisp, detailed upgrade. It's like turning a grainy photo into a masterpiece. And when it comes to fast-paced scenes, AI Motion Enhancer keeps everything smooth. Whether it's a soccer game or an action-packed movie, every second looks like you're right there. Dolby Atmos and Object Tracking Sound Plus give you dynamic audio that follows the action, creating a 3D audio experience. Imagine a plane flying overhead. You'll hear it moving from one side to the other, adding to the immersion. Real Depth Enhancer Pro further refines each frame, creating a sense of realism by adjusting the focal points, so every scene feels more lifelike. Upgrade to the Samsung QN900D with the best deals through the link in the description. Number 1. Samsung S95D. Finally, we've got the king of Samsung TVs, the Samsung S95D. This is the ultimate TV for anyone serious about home entertainment. With advanced OLED technology, you get pure blacks and dazzling whites, making each scene feel almost tangible. Imagine watching a space movie. The dark background makes the stars look like they're glowing, while the contrast between shadows and light pulls you in. For daytime viewing, OLED glare-free technology keeps the screen clear of reflections, even in bright rooms. Imagine watching your favorite shows on a sunny afternoon without annoying glare ruining the experience. Gamers will love the Motion Accelerator 144 Hz, which makes fast-paced scenes smooth and lag-free. Picture racing through a game. No stuttering, just pure, crisp motion, making each turn feel sharp and responsive. The Real Depth Enhancer feature adds to the immersion by increasing the contrast in the foreground, making objects feel almost 3D. It's perfect for nature shows, sports, and any high-action scenes. Get the Samsung S95D, Find the best deal through the link in the description. So there you have it, 5 of the best Samsung TVs out there. Whether you're looking for an immersive gaming experience or a home theater setup, there's a Samsung model perfect for you. Check out the links in the description for the best deals, and don't forget to subscribe for more top tech picks. Thanks for watching.